Hi guys, it's me Joyce Basing and it's 8-9 p.m. in the evening and I'm here today in my room and we are going to create a simple vlog today, so join me until our time is up. As you can see, I have a bag here beside me. All I have to do is to show you what's inside my bag. Actually, this bag I just bought I just bought it at the market. I have no plans to buy it that day, so they forced me to buy it, and I have no choice. So just buy it. So now I'm going to show you what's inside my bag. So on this side we have a ball pen. I use it for writing and checking when we do quiz or exam. This is my favorite out of all the other ball pens I've used before, and my penmanship depends on the ball pen. And we also have marker and a card from Pandayan. Next, on the other side, we have handkerchief and wallet. Inside this wallet, it has a coins, and we also have earphones and nail cutter. Next, we proceed to this big one. As I open it, we can see a small zipper as it would look at it. It looks like a wallet size, but when we open it, it has many money.
Oh my
A lot
god!
of money.
Wow!
And we have a comb. I use it when my hair is messy, so I just comb my hair like this. Yeah. And we also have a stapler and tissue and of course face powder or polvo. I use it every day. And we also have umbrella. Umbrella. I use it whether it's sunny or rainy. And I will show you my bench cologne. Many people many people use it because of its aroma. And we also have a calculator. I bring it for our subject GenMath, and I bought it I bought it at Pandayan store along with the card I showed you earlier, like it is. And next is my notebooks. The design of each notebooks are different. That's exactly what I like about notebooks. So these are the things that are inside my bag, and I have no more words to say, so I will end this video, and thank you for watching. Bye.